Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Gina. Today, I would like to talk about something different, just to give you a glimpse of my wig haul from my new supplier. Just to encourage, help or orientate my followers on how and where they can get good quality and cheap prices. I am going to unbox my wigs, eyelashes and 100% natural hair I ordered on Alibaba, so I can compare with what I received. I would also be reviewing the different articles whether they are satisfactory or not. Please tell me which one I should keep and which one can be returned or gifted. I used to pass my orders from Vietnam, Turkey, and Dubai, but this time I said, I should try something different. I hope this video helps you in one way or the other.
Let's see. This one is beautiful. This is our bone straight hair. I ordered 20 inches. Let's see. Wow. A bone straight hair. 20 inches. Place your order right now. Location Abubakar City Metro Station. 20 inches. Place for your order. Place your order, place your order. See? See? You see, guys? Very soft. And
Hey, everybody pay attention. I remember when Hype Morgan said, what can you do? Show us your freaking business. You don't know who is watching. Odogus they watch. Billionaires are watching. And even investors they observe. To all the Asha when okay waiting for put for head to go carry us for road. To all the big men when okay waiting for give to their wife on their birthday. And to all the small ladies when okay waiting for put on their head to go carry big boys around. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Allen, and any other Emirates around UAE, I have found a special spot for you. Dubai, Abubakar and Sadiq Metro Station Exit 2. Hit on the number on your screen. You call on for Gina. Straight on the way from China, Indonesia, and Philippines. Every human hair you want, installation they go give you. Ah, Hype Lopez say so.